Hello, it's Crafty Homemaker here. Today we've got something a bit different because we are away camping in our motorhome Dolly. So I'm going to show you around the camper van, and it won't take long because she's only small. But yeah, and then we're going to go for a walk with the dogs, and I'm going to show you this really cool tepee they've got down here. That using it as like somewhere that you can go and sit and chill out, and other people who are camping who can go and sit in there. It looks really nice. So we're going to walk down and have a look at that in a minute. But first of all, I'm going to show you in Dolly. I've just whipped around, sorry. Right, here we go. Here she is. She's a Bedford cf2. She's about 36 years old. So we've got, you're going to have to excuse the rubbish now because obviously I've got that hanging on the door, but you know, it is what it is because we're camping in here. That door there goes through to our toilet. I don't think you need to see that. Sink area. We've got an oven there. Some stuff that I made, crocheted some plants. I crocheted around me grapes and that. Yeah. All cupboards there. A door, my swan that I made. Up here is a double bed, but we don't use that as a bed because I don't like being so close to the ceiling because it's not very nice. You'll see my doggy there, Daxy and Foxy in it. That's the cab bit. Made some crocheted seat covers for it. See, and there's Daxy waiting for her dad to come back from getting some water. I love this bit. Who dreams of putting a bar inside her motorhome? So cool. When at night, it has got a light that comes on in it. But yeah, there we've got another seating area. If I come back a bit, there, that's what we put out at night to make a double bed with that seat and that seat there. Yeah, there's Foxy. You can see Foxy there. So yeah, so that's her inside. I'll show you her outside when we go outside in a minute. So I'll be back shortly. was a pretty cool tepee. Some other bits of the campsite. Just walking back with the dogs now to Dolly. I'm being quiet because it's really early in the morning, a lot of people still asleep. Come on Foxy, good girl darling. Go, good girl. It's pretty nice here, we've been here a few times. Yeah, the tepee is like a little hangout area if you want to go down there. Sit and meet up with other campers. I'll show you Dolly from the outside in a minute. Just try not to get a number plate in. So, yeah. Stacks through. And there's Dolly from the outside. Hope you've enjoyed this video. We're at Chidney campsite. Really nice campsite, really nice owners. Really nice.